What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today I'm super excited because right here I have the iPad mini in purple, and guess what? I'm wearing purple sweatshirt from H&M. I really love the brand, so go ahead and shop from H&M if you're interested. Anyway, this is the iPad mini, 256 gigs storage. And this I was not expecting to, be unveiled at the Apple event, but they surprised us. I think this was a star of the show. It's a nice, I think this is the iPhone Max, but I've been waiting so long for this redesign with the iPad mini. I did get this with the quote education discount from Apple for $5.99 for these 256 gigs. If you want to go ahead and pick up the 64 gigs with the Apple discount, the Apple education discount, you can. I believe it comes to $4.49. But also, at the time of recording this video, Amazon has already dropped their prices on 64 gig iPad minis. Some color variations. I don't think all of them are the same price, but around like $4.59, so $40 off. So if you do want to check that out, I'll leave links in the description down below. They may or may not still be available at that same price, but they're going to be dropping here and there on Amazon's website. But let's get into this unboxing because obviously I also have iPhone 13 Pro Max and iPhone 12 mini. Those videos are also going to be coming out on the channel, so subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get this unboxing started. So when we look at the box of the iPad mini, it still comes with the plastic wrapping. The iPhones don't anymore, but I really like this plastic wrapping. It just gives that satisfying feeling. But here we go. There we go, satisfying feeling. Does anyone want any more? There we go. iPad mini, super excited. Oh, first impressions, let's see what it is like when I first pull it out of the box. I really do want to see what it is. Okay, wait, let's throw this aside. Okay, it's pretty small. It's a pretty small iPad. Wow, this is super light. This is a super light iPad. And I've never had an iPad mini before. And I don't have an iPad either. Like I made a video about the iPad 7th gen before, and that wasn't mine. So I really haven't had my own iPad before, but this is what I'm super excited for. Wow, that's a nice purple. There we go. It's not the same hue, and it's a little bit darker, but I'm super excited for this. But let's put this aside for now. We're getting our paperwork right here, and Apple stickers are... Okay, that's not Apple stickers. I want my Apple stickers. Where are my Apple stickers? There we go. So we get two, but they're not color-coded. That's okay. Maybe next year. There is always next year, but I don't know. Apple hasn't been doing it, since their product releases, so I don't think they will. Hey, whoa, this is new. We get a power brick because we don't get those in the iPhones. And this is a 20-watt USB-C, so if you do have an iPhone and one of the newer iPhones and you do pick up an iPad, you'll be getting this so you can charge your iPhone as well. So that's really nice. And also, we do have USB-C to USB-C. Finally, iPad mini is now on the USB-C train. iPad Pro is on USB-C. iPad Air is on USB-C. And now iPad mini as well. Now all we have left is the regular iPad. So in this case right now, the iPad 9th gen. If you do want to see a video on the iPad 9th gen, let me know in the comments down below. Okay, so we had some complications that came up right as I was about to continue with this video. My iPhone that's recording right here, it stopped recording. This is the second time it happened. So I had to switch iPhones, and now I'm using my iPhone 12 mini to record. So maybe the quality might be bad or worse, I don't know. But let's get started. Let's all stay a little quiet and enjoy this peeling of the iPad mini 6th gen. Wow, that is a nice purple. And here we go. Oh, Yeah, we don't want to rip that. We just want to pull it out at this point. I think that's what it was intended for. So let's go ahead and pull this out. And oh, whoa, this is literally a one-hand tablet. This is amazing. Wow, it's super thin. And just the color is amazing. I'm excited. USB-C, it's got dual speakers. Now it's not quad speakers. I believe this one is the speaker and this one is not, or this one is on the top, but they're not quad speakers. And also when we look at the front here, or the top, here is the power button, which is also Touch ID, just like the iPad Air. And we have the volume up and down on the top, because the right side here is where we can, house our Apple Pencil 2nd Gen. And on the left side, obviously, there's nothing here. But you can tell when you're looking, it's more screen. So it's an 8.3 inch screen, and it comes in at 60 hertz, not 120. So it's not ProMotion, anything like that. But there is some bezel to it. And that's because, when you're using the phone, you want to have some space for your thumbs. And I understand that. That's okay. And it has the new 12 megapixel front-facing camera, which also includes center stage that first debuted on the iPad Pro, and it's now on the 9th gen iPad as well. This device also comes with the A15 Bionic chip, which is the same chip found in both the iPhone 13 mini, the iPhone 13, the iPhone 13 Pro, and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So it's coming with essentially the latest and greatest chip, a more powerful chip than the iPad Air, but the base storage is 64 gigs. That's why I went with 256, because I really do plan on using this device, as one of my main devices for the channel, for the work I do here. So here's the new iOS 15 or iPad 15 boot up on the iPad mini. I'm so used to saying iPhone, but here we go. Let's do it landscape. And let's get this started, and we'll take a look at how this looks after. Okay, so here is the iPad mini 6th gen, the new redesign with iPad OS 15. And I'm actually going to use it horizontally or in landscape mode. So here it is. This is my first iPad. If we swipe up, we get quick notes. That's pretty cool. I wonder if there we go, swipe back and it's gone. But like I said, it does not have 120 hertz ProMotion. It is only 60 hertz. That's okay. I don't really mind. But just in a glance, you can use this you can't really use it one-handed. You can hold it one-handed and it might fit into your back pocket, but you're still going to be using this two hands nonetheless. Now, this I have is the Wi-Fi model. You can get a model that has 5G. It is sub 6 gigahertz. It is not millimeter wave, but then again, most places don't really have millimeter wave. So I guess that's a good call. Now, this also does not have those smart pins, so you cannot attach a keyboard, or you can't use the magic, keyboard. I think that's what it was called. Man, it's been a long day. But this doesn't have a keyboard from Apple, so I'm hoping, and I understand it's going to be a super small keyboard if you did create one for the iPad mini. Let's turn up the brightness just a little bit. Now, it doesn't get too bright. This is fine, but just looking at it right now, it doesn't get that bright. If we look at something like the Samsung, or let's pull out the iPhone 13 Pro Max and compare it with the largest phone to the smallest iPad. Let's go ahead and compare sizes real quick. So here is the iPad mini and here is the 13 Pro Max. And just looking at that, wow, that is a small iPad. I kind of wish it did have 120 hertz, but maybe that's for another redesign for the iPad mini. Who knows? Anyway, looking at this, it's super thin. I hope that, someone creates a keyboard, maybe Logitech. If not, then a Bluetooth keyboard I'm going to be using hopefully as creating a video setup with the iPad mini and using this mainly for the channel and the work I do here. But that's really it. I'm going to be testing it, seeing how the A15 Bionic chip really does perform and, everything else about it. How I use this in my workload, for example. I also am a student, by the way, so let's see if I can kind of use the iPad for my schoolwork, although my intentions are to use it for the work I do here on the channel. But other than that, that's really it for this first impressions. I like it. I actually love it. Let's put it that way. I love it. I love the fact that I picked purple. There's different colors. There's starlight, like a mix of like a silver and gold. There's the space gray and the pink, but I really do dig this purple. And also, if you want to see more iPad content as well as iPhone content, definitely be sure to subscribe to the channel. But also check out, and I'll leave his link down in the description down below. Noah Herman makes amazing iPad content, hands down, period. Amazing. Like, if you want to see anything and everything iPad, you got to check out his channel. Like I said, I'll leave the link of his channel description down below, and give him a nice welcoming and say, I came from MTG Productions channel. Hello, and I'm enjoying your videos. He makes awesome content. Be sure to check him out. But that's been it from me and this first impressions of the iPad mini 6th gen, the redesign. Finally, it's here. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and turn on the bell notifications, as it does help out the YouTube algorithm and will help push my content out to more viewers. And thank you all so much for supporting the channel. It means so much. This video and those other iPhone videos and upcoming videos, these would not have been possible if it weren't for everyone who subscribed and everyone who commented, everyone who liked this video and shared this video. It really does mean a lot. You guys make my dream become a reality. From the bottom of my heart, thank you all, each and every one of you, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.